Hi and welcome. I'm Mandy Wildman, and today we're going to be choosing the Cabbage Patch doll and the fabric we're going to use to make a sassy cabby mermaid. So this is really fun. The first part, choosing your doll. I always take a while to do this because I don't know why, I have a lot of dolls, and especially when you're making a mermaid, that kind of look that you're looking for with the windswept or the sea-swept hair and the kind of there's a very specific look to a Cabbage Patch doll that is dressed as a mermaid. So I get really excited and they all sort of jump on the bed and line up, and they're waiting to be picked out to be the next Cabbage Patch doll that I customize. Wait, who's this? Charleston James, how did you sneak into this? I can't believe. Well, apparently I'm making a cabby mermaid, not a mermaid, and he is actually he's waving. Look, he needs a little bit of TLC, but he's really, really excited to become a mermaid. So, oh well, so that's what we're going to do. So, a little bit about Charleston James. We found him in Charleston on St. James Island in a thrift shop, and he was about $1.79, and he was filthy, very, very dirty, and he needed a lot of cleanup. But once he got cleaned up a little bit, you can tell that he's really ready to be a superstar. And there he is sitting in between two of my other mermaid cabbies. So right after that, you're going to want to choose your materials. Take some time doing this. Interestingly, this time I chose materials that are actually sort of cotton. They're stable fabrics. They're not the usual sort of jersey knit t-shirty kind of fabric that I use, but I could not resist these colors. So take some time to find lots of fun little things around your house that you can use to make your cabby. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.